Now 11.3 question number 13. A circular flower bed is surrounded by a path 4 meter wide. That is, there is a circular flower bed. Then a path is there. Around this bed there is a path. With a 4 meter. Okay. Then the diameter of the flower bed is 66 meter. So center diameter of this is 66 meter. Okay, 66 meter. So the radius will be half of 66. That will be 33 meter. Okay. Then what is the area of this path? We have to find the area of this path. So, how can we find it? Diameter of the flower bed is given 66 from this part, okay? Diameter is given 66 meter. So, radius will be 66 divided by 2 is equal to 33 meter. That is from here to here. That is from here to here. All places. Okay. This will be 33. And from here to there, that is 4 meter. Then, area of flower bed. We can find the area of this flower bed. Area of flower bed is equal to pi r square. Here, pi is equal to 3.14 r square. What is the radius of flower bed? That is 33. Then unit is square meter. 33 square. Okay. Then 3.14. 33 times 33 is equal to 1089. That much meter square. Then we can multiply these two. That is 3419.46 meter square. Okay. Then width of path is 4 meter. That is from here to here, that is 4 meter, and from here to this circle, that is 33 meter. Then radius of flower bed along this path, okay, from here to here, that will be 33 plus 4, that is equal to 37. So we can find area of flower bed and path together. Area of that is from here to there. Okay, from here to here. Then area is equal to area of this part is equal to pi r square. That also is equal to 3.14. What is the radius? Here up to here 33, then 4. 33 plus 4 is equal to 37 square meter square. Okay, then which is equal to 3.14 multiplied by 1369 meter square, which is equal to 4298.66 meter square. Okay, so that is the area of this part. Then area of path. What is the actual question? That is, we have to find the area of this shaded part. That is total minus, that is the total. This one is the total. That minus area of flower bed. Then we will get it. That is, here this was the total. Then this we have to avoid. This was the removed area. This one. Okay. Then we have to find this one. Total minus cut piece or removed area. Okay. So how can we find? We have to subtract these two. 4298.66 minus 3419.46. Then that is equal to 879.20 meter square. Clear? Next question. A circular flower garden has an area of 314 meter square. So area of circular garden is equal to 314 meters square. Then a sprinkler at the center of the garden can over an area. There is one sprinkler. Here one garden is there. Then there is one sprinkler at the center of this garden that can cover 12 meter. Okay, with the radius 12 meter. So, okay, this can cover 12 meter. Clear for you? Then, will the sprinkler water the center of the entire garden? Oh, the question is, this sprinkler can complete 12 meter radius from here to there 12. So, better or first we have to find that what is the question? Here one garden is there. Then inside the garden, that center of the garden, there is one sprinkler. Then that sprinkler can complete 12 meter. This sprinkler can complete 12 meter. So, we don't know what is the distance from center to this garden. Then only we can find this sprinkler can complete this garden. So, first the area is given there. Area of this garden is given. Then by using this, we can find the radius of this garden. How can we? That is pi r square is equal to 314 meter square. What is pi? We can use the 3.14 multiplied by r square is equal to 314. Then r square is equal to 314 divided by 3.14. Here two digits are there after this decimal point. So we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 100. Then we can avoid the decimal in the denominator. Okay. Then we can cut this by, this will be 100. That is r square is equal to 100. That means r into r is equal to 10 into 10. So, radius of the garden is 10 meter. So, the sprinkler can complete 12 meter. Oh, so, after 10, this 12 will be there. So, 12 meter is greater than 10 meter. So, the sprinkler can water the whole garden. After that, the water will be there. Clear? There is one figure. Find the circumference of the inner and outer circles shown in the adjoining figure. So, first we have to find the distance from here to here, that is 10. But here it is 10 and from center to this part, that is 19. So what will be this part from here to there? That is total from here to there 19. 19 minus, then from here to here, that is same, that makes 10. So 9 meter is the radius of inner circle and radius of outer circle, that will be from this point to this point. This is the outer circle. Okay. Then this will be the radius. Okay. Then we have to find the circumference of both circle. Inner circle, circumference of inner circle, that is equal to 2 pi r. So we can use 2 times 3.14 times what is the radius of inner circle? That is 9 up to here only. So total it was 19 and from here to there that is 10 only. So we have to subtract, then we will get 9 meter. So that is equal to 56.52 meter. Then outer circle that is equal to 2 pi capital R. We can give this one as capital R. No problem. Anyway, we can use maybe small letter R. Anything else. Then capital R, we don't want to get the confusion, so that I gave this one as for outer circle capital R. That is from here to there. So 2 times 3.14 multiplied by 19. That is equal to 119.32 meter. This is the radius of outer, so circumference of outer circle, and this is the circumference of inner circle. Clear? Question number 16. How many times a wheel of radius 28 centimeter must rotate to go 352 meter? So the radius of wheel is given. What is the radius? That is 28 centimeter. When it completed one rotation, that will be the circumference of this circle. So first we have to complete. That means this they have to complete a rotation. Okay. Then how many times this wheel need to rotate to complete 352 meter? So now we can find the circumference of circle. What is the equation? 2 pi r. So 2 times 22 on 7 times, this is the radius 28. This we can cut. 4 8s are 28. So this is equal to 22 times 8, 176 centimeter. So if this wheel rotate 1 times, it can complete 176 centimeter. But actually this we have to understand. We want to know that how many times this wheel we need to rotate to complete 352 meter. This is in centimeter. Think about it. Here they need to complete 352 meter, but this can complete if by one rotation this wheel can complete only 176 centimeter. Both are in different unit. One is in meter, another is in centimeter. Better we can convert this meter into centimeter by multiplying by 100. That is 352 times 100. Now this became centimeter. Then 176 centimeter. Clear? Because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. Then 352, then 2 zeros divided by 176. Here centimeter, here centimeter. This one times 352 is the double of 176. So 2 times, then 2 more zeros. So this centimeter and centimeter we can cut. So that will be 200 times. So this wheel need to rotate 200 times to complete 352 meter. That will be 35,200 centimeter. 35,200 centimeter. Clear? Question number 17. The minute hand of a circular clock is 15 centimeter long. So the minute hand is from here, center, to here, that is 15 centimeter. How far does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour? So, how far does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour? That is, to complete 1 hour, this minute hand will be here. Think about that. This minute hand, that is 60 minutes. After completing this 60 minutes, this can complete 1 hour. So, 1 hour. To reach 1 hour, this minute hand needed to tip how many times? 60 times. That will be 60 minutes. So we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So this want to reach 60. That will be up to here itself. So we have to find the circumference of circle. So that will be the distance covered by this minute hand. Okay. Here Radius is given, that is 15 centimeter. So 15 centimeter. Circumference of this circle will be the distance covered by minute hand. So 2 pi r is the equation. So 2 times 3.14 multiplied by 15. So 30. 15 times 3 to 30. So 3 times 14. 3.14 multiplied by 30. 3.14 times 3 is equal to, again one more 0 is there. So 2 decimal point. So that will be 94.2 centimeter. So the circumference of this circle is equal to 94.2 centimeter. So the minute hand needs to travel 94.2 centimeter. I think this is enough for you to understand how to find out the circumference and area of a circle. What is the relation? How can we find the questions? Clear? How can we find out? How can we solve the questions related with the circle? Clear? Thank you.